Today's mission is to save Big Monkey and Tabitha together. Big Monkey is trapped downstairs. Daddy will show us around the camp.
Okay, welcome everyone. We're in our inner den. This is our normal den. We have so we can ask to help us. What's the time?
It's 2:05 p.m.
Tell us about the animal of the day.
Today, we're going to learn about the amazing Emperor Penguin. Emperor penguins are black and white, with yellow patches on the sides of their heads. They live in chilly Antarctica and are the biggest penguins on ice.
This is the animal of the day. This is the lion.
Then if we come out, this is the outer den.
Hello there. How can I be of service?
Let's go inside. Elias is hiding in the inner den. Let's go and see him. Sam. What's he doing? Hello.
I'm just going to show you around this.
Elias, we've got a problem. I haven't seen Big Monkey this afternoon. I think he's downstairs. Unfortunately, there's a storm coming.
I think they're here. What that means?
Is everyone okay?
Daddy,
That was really close.
instead of Thunder Road, Daddy. Can you see what I put in here?
Elias, what are you doing? You cooking us some food? Let's turn the cooker on. Tabitha, don't touch the cooker. Right, the cooker's on. Don't touch it.
It's burning.
Right, let's put some food on. This storm is really bad.
Yes, because it's making my soup really yucky. You should taste it. Tabitha, will you like it? Yum yum. Do you like it today?
Yeah, that's actually not bad. What's in it?
Onion, tomato, and some
Just stir it.
and some pizzas, some pizza tops, and some butter.
After this, we really need to think about rescuing Big Monkey.
It smells nice, doesn't it?
Have you noticed?
What?
The thunderstorms actually stopped. This would be a good time to go and rescue Big Monkey. Are you up for trying to rescue Big Monkey?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go downstairs quietly and rescue him, okay?
The monster's downstairs too, and it's really dark.
Tabitha, you come too.
I got a headboard.
Right, come on. There he is, there he is. I found him. Oh, okay. He's not. Look, we need to get him back upstairs.
Yes, we do.
But I can't carry Big Monkey and Tabitha. Tabitha, you're going to have to walk up the stairs yourself, okay? Elias is going to take Big Monkey over his shoulder. It's a fireman's lift. Do the fireman's lift. Right, Tabitha, you come with us. Upstairs, darling. Open the door. Up we go in the den, Tabitha, go in the den. Into the den, into the den. Back in the den, back in the den.
The alien. We're gonna get off.
Quick, back in the den, back in the den. Quick, quick, Tabitha, go, go, go. Put Big Monkey down, quick. He's injured. Get the medicine chest. Here's your doctor's box.
Are you okay, Big Monkey? Don't sit down in the fire.
Check his heart, Elias, and his breathing. Use your stethoscope. He's not very well by the looks of things. What's in your doctor's bag?
Let's open it up and see. And this one, when you carefully going to check your heart.
I think he needs an injection.
Yes, an injection. It will hurt me, Monkey.
Let me get the injection ready for you, Elias.
Then I hurt my back.
There you go.
Oh, that hurt.
And just
Doing a plaster. What's a plaster?
he looks much better now, doesn't he?
It's because it's his back hurt.
Just if I think he'll be all right now if he has a good sleep. Okay.
We saved Big Monkey, so mission accomplished.